This is how we know Las Vegas. There is the Caesars Palace Casino, the water fountains at Bellagio, the huge Ferris wheel at Link Casino, the crowded hotel pool parties, and the famous flamingo birds at Flamingo's Casino. Today we want to show you a new attraction Las Vegas has to offer. Tipsy Robot, a new way to get drinks in Las Vegas. Robotic Bartender, with huge robot arms, are preparing cocktails for you. You use an iPad terminal to tell the robot what to mix for you. You can choose or create your very own drinks, and even name it after you. After paying for your drink, one of the two robots will prepare the whole drink for you. There are alcohol bottles hanging from the ceiling. This makes it easy for the robot to access every ingredient you selected on the iPad. You can find this cocktail mixing robots not just in the Miracle Mile Shopping Center at Planet Hollywood Hotel and Casino. There are even cruise ships equipped with them, like the Harmony of the Seas. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.